Hey everyone, I'm Aditya Vikram Chawla, Community Lead at Open Source Chandigarh. GitHub Innovation Rally wasn't just an event, it was an experience. It was a dynamic experience where over 2100 students, from beginners to experts, explored open source, learned about the GitHub Developer Pack, and experienced seamless collaboration. It was also a space for networking, mentorship, and community building. We explored the power of open source, learned about the developer pack, and saw how seamless contributors to repositories can be. Let's hear what the participants have to say.
Hello everyone, I am Kshitij Vardhan, Open Source Head at Open Source Chandigarh. Through GitHub Innovation Rally 2.0, we didn't just introduce students to GitHub, we empowered them with real-world skills. With over 2100 students engaged, this event became a hub of learning, networking, and mentorship. By participating in events like these, you are not just learning, you are becoming a part of a community that believes in making knowledge accessible to all.
Hello everyone, I am Akshit Verma, Cybersecurity Head at Open Source Chandigarh, and being a part of GitHub Innovation Rally 2.0 has been an incredible experience. One of the most rewarding aspects of this journey was witnessing the impact students setting up their first repository, exploring GitHub workflow, and realizing how powerful open source can be. It reinforced the idea that learning beyond the classroom is what truly prepares us for tech industry. This event may have ended, but the learning doesn't stop here. I am grateful to have been the part of this initiative, and I can't wait to see what we all build together in the future.
I'm Ridhima Sharma, Organizing Head at Open Source Chandigarh. Leading GitHub Innovation Rally has been an incredible journey for me. From organizing the event to delivering sessions, this experience pushed me to grow as a leader, refine my communication skills, and take on new challenges. This rally wasn't just about learning GitHub, it was about empowering students. Seeing the impact of initiative firsthand was truly rewarding. But none of this would have been possible without an amazing team. The dedication, collaboration, and passion everyone brought made this event a huge success. Thank you to all who contributed. This is just the beginning. Let's continue to build, innovate, and grow together in open source. Thank you.
As a first year student, I had heard of GitHub, but I never truly understood its role in development. This rally changed that completely. Under the guidance of our senior and mentors, we went through step-by-step activation process. And by the end of it, it had successfully unlocked the GitHub Student Developer Pack. Now I have access to tools like GitHub Pro, JetBrains, and the Cloud Development Platform, all at no cost. This event was not just about learning GitHub. It was about taking my first step toward becoming a professional developer.
I'm Meenakshi, your first year. GitHub Rally was an amazing learning event. Being someone with no knowledge of open source programs, I got to know how collaborations can be this easy. I also learned about the GitHub Developer Pack, which I had no idea about. This knowledge will help me contribute to open source projects and repositories. We were also told the features of the Developer Pack and how I can effectively use it to make my journey smoother.
1. I enjoy exploring new technologies and websites that can enhance projects in any way. But the limitation of free app usage often restricts me from doing so to my full potential. The GitHub Developer Pack has solved this by providing free credits for some great platforms. We get $200 credits for DigitalOcean, $100 credit for Azure, and many more, which is a great opportunity for students like us. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ruhani. I'm a first year student. A major highlight of the GitHub Rally for me was discovering Open Source Chandigarh. I learned about this wonderful community, the great events they organize, and how to support juniors and learners across the campus. The rally also acted as a bridge for me to connect with like-minded peers and explore everything that can be done with open source.
Hi, myself Tanveer. I am from first year, PECSC. If there's one thing I learned from the GitHub Innovation Rally 2.0, it's that initiatives like these are great for students. Open Source Chandigarh didn't just organize a workshop, they created an interactive experience where every student participated. Whether it was setting up our GitHub accounts, understanding GitHub workflows, or receiving our GitHub Pro cards, this event ensured that everyone left with real skills and resources. I strongly encourage every student to take part in such opportunities because learning beyond the classroom is what truly prepares us for the tech industry. I am definitely looking forward to the next event.
Hi, my name is Sunil Kalamati. Hi, my name is Ashwin Thakur. We both are from first year PhD. Open source has always fascinated me, and learning about the GitHub developer pack and the valuing each step towards this goal of mine. I discovered that the pack provides students with access to Premium tools and services, including code spaces and CI/CD.
I learned about the various domains GitHub offers to encourage developers like us to explore. These domains are free and beginner-friendly, providing an incredible opportunity for me to practice by creating repositories and building projects.
Hello everyone, I am Tripti from CSC branch first year. Before this really, I thought that GitHub was just a place to store codes, but thanks to Open Source Chandigarh, I now understand that it's a collaboration hub, a learning tool and a stepping stone for open source contributions. One of the most valuable part that really was a chance to interact with seniors who guided us personally. They walked us through everything from setting up to 2FA and billing details and successfully applying for a GitHub Student Develop Pack. What really stood out of me that the distribution of GitHub Pro cards to every student, which made activation process just seamless. That wasn't just a workshop, it was a hand-up experience that made me feel like a part of global development community.